Dear children, welcome to Social Science e-class. So far we have finished our first term portions and you have started writing your classworks. In social science, you are given notes for 3 lessons, that is history lesson 1, 2 and 3. Today we are going to revise these 3 lessons. Kindly keep open your classworks and follow me. Okay, let us go to the revision. History, first lesson. When, where, and how? Answer the following. First question. What is history? History is the study of the past event. History is the study of the past event in chronological order. History is nothing but study of the past. Study of the past. Second question. Who are historians? Historians are persons who studies or writes history. Historians are persons who studies or writes history. That is, those who are writing past events with the help of some evidences are called historians. Next question. Give 2 reasons why we should study history. Even though we cannot change the past, we can change what might happen now. We become appreciative of the good things of the past and try to keep them or preserve them. The first point tells us we cannot change the past, but we can change the future. Yes, when we learn history, we can understand what mistake they have done in past. So we will not do the same mistakes in future. The second point tells us when we study our culture and tradition, we become appreciative. Fourth question. How is prehistory different from history? The answer. Prehistory has no written records. History has written records. Children, we know prehistory people are hunters and gatherers. They did not develop any script for their language. That's why prehistory has no written records. But we can understand their lifestyle from cave paintings. History has written records. Next, fifth question. What are the following? Archaeology, literary sources, secular sources. Answer. Archaeology is the study of the remains of the past. Archaeology is nothing but study of the historical things. Literary sources. Literary sources are written sources of history. Example, books and palm leaves. In Tamil, Olai Chuvadigal. Secular sources. Secular in the sense non-religious. Non-religious sources of history is called secular sources. Sixth question. Differentiate history and myth. History is about something that actually happened. It is written with the help of evidences. History is nothing but actually happened and having evidences. Next, myth. Myth is a traditional story that may not be true. It is fully or partially imagined. For example, Ramayanam and Mahabharatam. Let us go to lesson 2. Early human life. Answer the following. First question. In what way do you think humans are superior to other beings on earth? Answer. We have languages through which we communicate with one another. We have thinking capacity. We cook our food. Children, if you have pet in your home, you can see some differences between you and your pets. You can communicate with others through languages, but your dog cannot. You can think, but your dog cannot think. You eat cooked food, but your dog or pet eats raw food? Second question, write a sentence about the following: archaeology, anthropology, fossils. Archaeology. Archaeology is the study of human history through the excavations. Anthropology, study of human culture and behavior. Fossils. Fossils are physical remains that have been preserved by nature over a long time. The very good example of fossil is the bones of dinosaurs. Third question, how Stone Age is classified? Stone Age is usually classified into three periods: the Old Stone Age, Paleolith or Paleolithic; the Middle Stone Age, Mesolithic; the New Stone Age, Neolithic. Fourth question, modern human are called what? Modern human are called Homo sapiens. Children, our scientific name is Homo sapien. Next, lesson 3, Indus Valley Civilization. Answer the following first question. Indus civilization is called urban civilization. Give reason. How Indus people are called urban people? Answer. Indus people lived in cities. They had well conceived town planning. Two major and many smaller cities have been discovered in the Indus civilization region. Two major cities, Harappa and Mohenjo-daro, and many smaller cities are discovered. The Indus people were meticulous planners and they had town planning. Second question, what animals were domesticated by the Indus people? Indus people domesticated animals included dogs, cats, humped cattle, domestic fowl, pigs, camels, and buffalo. Third question, describe the Great Bath. Great Bath is one of the earliest public tank. It is a waterproofed tank like our swimming pool. Fourth question, name the three cities that are found on the Indian side of the Indus civilization. Answer, Kalibangan, Dholavira, Lothal. Kalibangan is in Rajasthan. Dholavira and Lothal are in Gujarat. Children, that's all today's revision. I'll give you question answers for the remaining lessons. You mark and learn objectives in book itself and write answer the